Let's move on to another type here, a pie chart. We're going to use the same data set, and we're going to see how much of the total number of people in that major, and we're going to use the major. Each major is going to get its own color. So let's show that pie chart. This is completely useless, am I right? Okay, because we have really too much data for a pie chart. What we want to do is we would want to go back and do the major category, the category of major, or we just want a smaller number of majors. So let's use that top 10 that we created back up here. And let's use the top 10 total. Top 10. Is that how I did it? Yes, it is. So let's use that. Now that's a much better pie chart. But notice, I didn't have to worry about the colors here. It just picked them for me. All I said was use the major to decide what color. And it just does it for me. That's what I love about Plotly, is that it just does things for me so well and really allows me to do some interactive things. Here's a really interesting thing. What if we're like general business? Let's see what this looks like without general business. I can actually take that out of the pie chart interactively. And it adjusts everything for me. So there's a lot of little things you can do with this stuff to play around with the pie chart. And a pie chart is good for looking at parts of a whole, so the relative percentage of things, or the proportion of individual components in a whole, highlighting contribution of each category, or emphasizing the distribution within a set of values. So that's if you've got a group and you want to see how the group is made up. Like if I wanted to see a ethnic breakdown of BC students, a pie chart would be perfect for that, right? I could see how big of a piece of pie everybody gets, right? That would be useful. That's a useful visualization. So that's a pie chart.